Hello guys, long time no see, and I'm happy to be back. Yes, when you're a father to two kids, you need to do special things with them, like taking care of them before you do reviews. So, here's my hands, woohoo, not my face. And let's start with a new addition to my mecha collection. I'm happy to present Acid Rain Speeder Mark II 88. This is a new company that creates a very beautiful line of figures and mechas, and it's beautiful. There's nothing else I can say, only that it's very perfect. This is the front of the box, the upper side of the box, the back of the box, where you can feel the vehicle. It's 1:18 scale military infantry unit. It is fully withered and detailed, and what can I say? It's perfect. Highly completed action collectible armored vehicle switch between two forms, and you've got an action figure that is in a scale of G.I. Joe figures, and it's perfect. So this is a slide case, you slide it out, you see there's another graphic here, and you open it up, you open it here, and you have a nice foam that protects the vehicle. And this is it. It's from Ority, and if you can see here, it's scronex.com. You can find it in BBTS, in Robot Kingdom and other toys shop that have all kinds of toys and not only Transformers. Anyway, let's take it out and let's put the vehicle in. So before I start talking about the vehicle figure itself, let's look about the details. Well, the idea of Acid Rain, it's an apocalyptic world that humans destroyed the world and created a very hostile acid environment that you need to use a gas mask to protect your face and in order to inhale good air. But look at the details. This is the first time I see a company that do a very perfect withering and coloring. It is rough, it's not smooth, it's so perfect. Look, I try to focus on it. Do you see the details, my friends? Details. Everything here is perfect. I so in love with the work they did here. Yes, there's a person inside, a figure, even these are painted, these are not stickers. So yeah, cool. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. I'll turn it around. Everything here is perfectly colored. No color mess up. The quality here is perfect, and that's why you pay a lot of money for this. Yeah. So this Dune Runner vehicle has 6 wheels, big wheels in the back and 2 in front. They are rubber wheels and they turn quite good. The transformation of this baby is very easy, and they're going to create a new line that is the Acid Rain line, and you will have all kinds of soldiers, figures and fighters and everything else. And they took out new figures, new mechas. This is the Dune Runner and another one like a missile tank or something like that. Anyway, let's talk about this baby. Well, you have the Dune Runner mode, so it's very perfect. You can close here these flaps to protect the driver. You know what? I'll take the driver out first. I'll open it up. All right, and I'll take the seat belts out. Just a second, my friends. The seat belts is quite a project, but not so tough. It's rubber. And let's take his hands out. All right, so yeah, it comes with a helmet. Okay, so the figure, though it's stiff on the joint, I think it's because of the painting, but this baby is perfectly designed. If G.I. Joe figures were like that, I would be very happy. Okay, so let's zoom a little bit in. Yeah, all right. So, see the details, see the mask. The mask is so perfectly designed and the watercolors are perfect. Have you seen this kind of work on other designs? He has a rubber helmet. Again, they made it dirty and it's beautiful. And you can put it on. See? You cannot take it off. He has double ball joint neck. So he can look down and he can look extremely up. You can take out the vest too. You can open it here, you see. Sorry, I'll zoom out a little bit. And you can take the vest out. You can take the head out and then the vest out. But I don't want to take the vest out. Let's lock it in. The articulation is perfect. 360 ratcheting joints, so it can hold everything. All right. Elbow, though it's one joint, but still you can bend it very well. One hand can fold to the left and to the right and turn. Sorry. Go to the left and to the right and turn. The other one goes up. Yeah, you can take it out, but it can go, because of the color here, it can go up and down. Okay, it's for holding weapons, so when they'll take out the figure with weapons, possibly you can do it. It has the torso, no ball joint here. Legs can go front, back, to the side. They can turn. All right. Double knee joint and it's ratchet, so it's very strong and you can pose it as you like. Okay. Sorry if I sometimes miss the cam. The legs go up, down, and left to right. You can pose them. Can you see it? All right. You can pose him and make him stand as you wish. You can do some bottle stand, and if I had weapons, so it would be very good. All right. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it. All right. Gently. All right, and you can put it in his hand. See, he can hold it, so he can do all kinds of maintenance, and you can put it in his hand like that, and he can hold it. See how perfect it is? Awesome. And you can put it back again. The color is perfect too. I don't know how good you can see it, but it's rough, like it's rusted. Okay, it's like metal, but it's not, it's plastic. Very perfect job they did here with the coloring. It's, well, what can I say? It's enormous. Perfect. And the shovel too. It can walk here to the car, and he can pick up the gas can. Okay, you can put him like that. You can take out the gas can and do something like that, like he's holding the gas can in his hand, right? And yeah, the gas can open, but you need to use a little force because they color it, and the color, all right, and you can open it. So it's like a gas can and multi-task kit for weapons, something like that. But still, have you seen a very perfectly designed toy that has all kinds of accessories? No, you didn't. So let's bend the knees of the figure like that. All right. Oh, again. All right. Now I'll put him back in the seat for the other demonstration. I fix him. I put the harness back. It's rubber. This is the only drawback here, is to put it back. But after that, you take the hands, right, and you can. I'll show you. All right, one handle. Can you see it? I'll try to show you. All right, the handle here, and there's another one here, and then you can take the hand and lock it like that. Okay, so the hands are back inside, and you flip the cover, lock it. Just a second. You lock it back here, and this baby is locked. All right, so it's ready. I'll zoom out. All right, now for the transformation mode. Yeah, I'm talking too much, but I want to show you all the best of the best it has. It has ratcheting joint. They are very stiff, so be careful, but only if you be so rough you can break it. If not, if you are like me, taking care of your stuff, so everything will be okay. Let's put the helmet back. All right, the helmet is back. So you can see his head. See? As for the transformation, so first thing, you disconnect the arms from the body. They are connected with two pegs. All right. You have pegs here. All right, and you take out the blasters. Yeah, you can hear the ratcheting joint. They are very stiff, and I like it. And for the legs, you take it like that, switch, turn, and because you have wheels here and they turn, it will move. So you pull this baby and it acts as brake. The same here, like that and like that. But no, I didn't finish it. The guns here go up. All right, you go to the back and you pull this baby. And there's a peg here. See it? The peg here. So you connect the legs to the peg and lock it. Right? Yeah, it's locked. Okay, so I lock the joint, and as you can see, I have it's like a gear walk from Macros. Yeah, and the back piece do like that, and you turn it and you flip this. All right, you see what I'm doing? I'm flipping the seat here, the head protection, and you can fold this here. This is the back. So, although he's a little back heavy, still you can pose him and can do all kinds of stuff with him. The articulation is a little bit restricted, but still perfect. Guys, look how it looks. The colors, everything, the weapons, everything here is perfect. Perfect. This is the first time. Yeah, the mirrors are rubber. See? So you won't break them. The colors, everything here is perfect. As for articulation, so as you could see, it can turn 360, move to the side. All right. You have elbow and you have swivel. All right. So you can do some kind of a, just a second, like a pose, like he's looking at you. All right, and he's like, I'm gonna blast you away, my friend. Okay, the legs can go front and back. You have here the knees, right? So you can do this kind of bending, and because the legs can move, the feet can turn. Just a second. Because of the transformation, you can pose him in a pose that can hold him. Well, though I need to still work on it, but you can do all kind of stuff with it. Like doing like that. All right. I'm gonna blow you away, my friend. So, do I recommend it? If you are a fan, a mecha collector, and you like all kinds of, if you like macros, this is a perfect thing for you. This is one of the best toys with the best coloring I ever seen, and I'm so happy to have it. It's not so expensive, but it's not so cheap either. It's about $130, and you have to add shipment for it. And yes, guys, I do recommend it. They have another mech, and that is like missile tank with lots of missiles on it. They're going to take out and to the market action figures with weapons and dioramas, and it's going to be a very beautiful battlefield. This is it. This is my acid rain speeder. I really recommend it, and I'm back. I will do other reviews, and I hope you like my review. If you like my reviews, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, please subscribe to my channel. If you have common things to say, please say it. Yes, it was a long review, but it was worth it. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.